So this old grill's got 448,000 kilometers on it. You can see the grass through the other side there. Nice. Look at that junk. Rust in Canada. So I have all the box bolts loose. MudRFunR here. So today I'm going to be continuing on with Rust in Canada. And today is the start of putting this box on. It's a southern box. Not quite black, but it's going to do. Here's some more crap that we have to deal with here in Canada. So I've got the strap all unhooked. On the hooks, part of it, the extra piece I had wrapped around the hook there and tied it. It's stuck, frozen. We had one day of freezing rain, and the next day it decided to snow. So I need to move that box to the back of the trailer. Frozen solid. Well, work smarter, not harder. Okay, so I've had to switch cameras. There's a tiny bit of a breeze out here, and I don't know what it is with that other camera that I got. It picks up every little noise in the background, so I'm going to use my old camera. Got my chain falls on the back, and let's see what happens. So it's kind of wedging itself in there side to side, and I got some more blankets there to keep it from scratching. What I wanted. Right there. Okay, so from here on in, it's going to be one step at a time. I'm gonna get some straps hooked up and get back to you. Alright, so here goes nothing. See what it happens. See where it goes. I think we got it. That's a little offset. Alright, with me stepping on this, I know how bad that was. Anyway, the idea of this is I want to lift this high enough that I can get the trailer underneath. Okay, so without getting underneath this thing, here's kind of what it looks like. Starting to cave in over in the middle there. Got all that rot happening all the way around there. You can see right through to the other side. Well, especially now that I've been lifting on it, it's kind of been bending and twisting. And where the taillight is there, all rotted out. And of course, got their part right there. There. Kind of give you an idea how much everything is broken and sagging under there. Crazy. And then this would be the driver's side, right here. Not quite as bad in the taillight hole there, but definitely the fender well here, very rotten. Okay, trailer time. had I moved the trailer over a little bit, I would have been able to get it partway into the doorway, and I wouldn't have to worry about hitting the end of this box over here. But I think with a little bit of pushing and prying, I should be able to drop that down right behind the other one, the way I planned. And it's snowing. See, perfect. Got it in the shop in all its rusty glory, and without a bumper on it, I actually have room to get around behind it. But this is what we're looking at right here.